How to order from Yupoo with Cnfans. In this video, I'm going to show you how to order products on Yupoo using Cnfans as your purchasing agent. First, browse Yupoo albums to find products you want to buy. Now, click on any product that you want to buy and copy the product link or save photos for easy reference. Now, again, just click on the product link and it will eventually, the link will immediately come up and you just have to copy it. Now what you're gonna do after it loads, just hit on this, just right click on this link and then click on copy link address. After that, head over to Cnfans and create an account on Cnfast, which is a popular agent platform that helps international buyers purchase items from Chinese sellers. Log in and go to the place order section. What you're going to do is to paste the Yupoo product link right here and enter the quantity and specifications. Cnfans will provide an estimated price including the product cost, agent fee, and shipping fees. Confirm the order details and proceed with payment. Cnfans accept multiple payment methods like PayPal, credit card, or bank transfer. Once your payment is confirmed, Cnfans will communicate with the Yupoo seller to buy the items on your behalf. The items are then shipped to Cnfans warehouse for inspection and repackaging if necessary. After inspection, Cnfans ships your order to your country with tracking information. You can monitor your order status on Cnfans dashboard. And that's how you order from Yupoo with Cnfans.